Why do we use Zoho Learn? Zoho Learn is a powerful platform designed to make knowledge sharing simple and effective. It helps organizations create structured learning materials, build interactive courses, and share them with teams effortlessly. With Zoho Learn, you can centralize your training resources, improve onboarding, and ensure consistent learning across your organization. It's not just about storing information. It's about creating a culture of continuous learning and collaboration. Let's see how to log in to Zoho Learn. First, open your Chrome browser and type zoho.com/learn/ in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on Sign In at the top right corner. On the Sign In page, enter your credentials and click Sign In. You will now be redirected to the Zoho Learn dashboard, where you can start exploring your learning resources. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.